Hey guys, welcome to this video. And Fitbit Versa 2 recently received a firmware update, and so now we are running on this latest version. Let's check it out in the settings. So we are on version 3577.14, and with it has brought along some major updates, and I am here to talk about some of these major updates. So the first one here is the ability to now keep 5 watch faces on the app that you can switch between. So the way it works is that you now get a clocks app here. So you can go in here, and then here you will see 5 watch faces, and you can toggle between them whenever you want. So what you have to do is basically you have to go into the Fitbit Versa app on your phone, and then go in clock faces, and here you will see these 5 slots. So you have to fill them up with your favorite watch faces, and just tap on an empty slot and it will take you to the watch faces, and from here you can select any one and it will start to download. Now for some reason I have not been able to transfer these watch faces onto the watch. I'm not sure why. And what's the problem here? I've tried everything, but it is just not working. Maybe a glitch or something like that, I'm not sure, but it should work. You should have these 5 watch faces on the watch, and you can toggle between them from here and select and switch between them. So that I think is one of the major updates that it has received in this firmware update. And it's actually good, because previously you would have to use your phone and Fitbit app on your phone every time you wanted to change a watch face. Now moving on to the next feature, you can actually now connect different apps or features with this left button. So previously you could only connect either Alexa or Fitbit Wallet or Fitbit Pay with this button, but now they have extended that to several features. So if we go in the settings and look for left button, here you will see Fitbit Pay, Alexa, and these were the two options before, but now we have exercise. So you can choose different exercises from here and set that up. And then we have music controls, stopwatch, relax, timer, quick settings, and notifications. So just select that. So let's say we select timer here, save it, and we go back, long press, and it launches the timer. Now when you do that, you actually lose the ability to launch Alexa quickly or Fitbit Pay. You can still launch Fitbit Pay from here. So there is that, but for Alexa they have actually now put an Alexa app on the watch itself. So if we go to the Alexa app, you can now control Alexa from here. Now moving on to the next update, we have a new exercise app. So gone are those images that were here. For exercises you could see different images. Now we have this very clean design with these clean icons, and then you can go in more, and there you go. These are all your activities that you can track, and then you can go in here. So this has also been revamped, so you can start and will start tracking your activity, and that's also something new. And with that we now have the ability to see the sleep score on the watch as well. So swipe up and you go to Fitbit today, and here you can actually see your sleep score on the watch itself, and then some other metrics here which were previously available too. Next up we have smart alarm feature here. So go in alarms, and here if you set up new alarm, you will see this smart alarm or smart wake feature. So just tap on it and it will show you what it actually does. So it will avoid waking you up during deep sleep. To cut down on grogginess, your alarm will find the best time to wake you starting 30 minutes before the set time. If no best time is found, it will still wake you up anyway. So this is something that you can set up if you don't want to feel groggy in the morning, because it will not wake you up when you are deep asleep. In fact, it will look for different time slots when you are not in deep sleep, and will try to wake you up in that time frame. And finally, I want to talk about some new apps that we have in this latest update. So we have the Agenda app. So in this Agenda app, you can see your calendar events, upcoming calendar events, and you can actually choose which calendars to show up here from the Fitbit app on your phone. And then recently I got this snow detect app on the watch as well. So I got invited to the beta test of this app. This was a few days ago. So if you go in here, it actually looks for any snoring at night, so you can turn it on automatically. It will turn on automatically when you're asleep, or you can set it up to start manually before you go to sleep, and once you do that, it will look for any noise levels when you're asleep. Now the best way to use it is to not put up any background music or any ambient sounds, because then it wouldn't work perfectly. So this is something that you can use to detect your snoring at night. So this was also something new that came a few days ago. So that's about it from this video, guys. Those were the few major updates that has come to Fitbit Versa 2 with this update. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and let me know if I've missed anything as well. So I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.